Though the killing part's also much easier now that I'm honest with myself about it.
I'm just here to help.
Toss your dirty shoes in my washing machine. Heart, baby, bang it up inside. I'm not
I was starting over!
lipstick. I thought maybe we would kiss.
Tell me where she is! Tell me or I'll kill you, you fucking psychopath!
Kiss me.
This place is mine!
Dirty shoes in my washing machine. Heart, baby, bang it up inside.
Got it! That's it! Marvelous! This was a good kill.
What the fuck is this?
One day, your son will know you're a fucking serial killer.
Just know you said this would happen. Dying minutes. Killing
You are. Maybe he deserves better than me. Why? How did I become this person? I try to love. Every time it falls apart. I'm unlovable. Is this what I deserve? You have so many gifts. I'm looking forward to watching what you do next.
fucking breathtaking.
I fucked up your ankle? You want to know how I killed Beck?
Maybe the problem isn't me. Maybe. It's you.